Hi, welcome. Now we are going to practice speaking. But, before we start, I'm very thankful for you to subscribe, like, and leave comment. Are you ready to rock? Let us begin. What is your dream vacation?
My dream vacation is to visit the Greek islands and explore their beautiful beaches and ancient ruins.
What is your dream vacation? Do you have any siblings? If yes, how many?
Yes, I have one older sister.
Do you have any siblings? If yes, how many? What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Breaking Bad.
What is your favorite TV show? What is your favorite way to exercise?
My favorite way to exercise is weightlifting.
What is your favorite way to exercise? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the majestic lion.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is hiking in the mountains.
What is your favorite outdoor activity? What is your favorite childhood cartoon?
My favorite childhood cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
What is your favorite childhood cartoon? What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year.
What is your favorite holiday? Do you have any hidden talents?
Yes, I can play the piano and juggle.
Do you have any hidden talents? What is your favorite way to start the day?
My favorite way to start the day is by enjoying a cup of freshly brewed coffee.
What is your favorite way to start the day? What is your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Settlers of Catan.
What is your favorite board game? What is your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is a sunny day with a cool breeze.
What is your favorite type of weather? What is your favorite type of cuisine to cook?
My favorite type of cuisine to cook is Mexican.
What is your favorite type of cuisine to cook? What is your favorite childhood toy?
My favorite childhood toy was a stuffed teddy bear named Teddy.
What is your favorite childhood toy? What is your favorite form of exercise?
My favorite form of exercise is swimming.
What is your favorite form of exercise? What is your favorite genre of literature?
My favorite genre of literature is fantasy.
What is your favorite genre of literature? What is your favorite quote about life?
Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. John Lennon.
What is your favorite quote about life?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. And stay tuned for our next video coming up soon. Stay tuned for our next video coming up soon.